Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can download and install the GTA 5 City game on your PC or laptop. So first open up your end browser, click on the Google search box, just type the Rockstar Games. Once you type it, just hit the enter and now open up the first website of the Rockstar Games. Once it was open, click on the search box and now here you can simply type the GTA. And guys, once you type it, just hit the enter and then you can scroll down, you will see the GTA Vice City game. Just click on that and simply install it. The second way to download this, just search for the Steam, open it and click on the login option. And if you have an account, then just simply log into your account. If don't, then you can just simply create one. After you create an account, then just simply go to the store, click on the search box, just type the GTA, then hit enter. And here you will find the GTA Vice City game. If you not find, just click on the Grand Theft Auto 5 and here you just need to select the age. Click on the view page and here you will see the GTA 5 City game. Click on the add to cart option and then you can purchase for yourself. This is how you can download and install the GTA Vice City. If you find this video helpful, so please consider liking this video because this is only motivation for me and I will see you guys in the next video.